Gert Grobler, réconciliation, bénéfique pour la stabilité de Madagascar. L'Afrique du Sud travaille de près avec le président Hery Rajaonarimampianina pour les questions afférentes à la réconciliation nationale. Le processus, selon l'ambassadeur Gert Grobler, doit être un processus malgache, mais l'Afrique du Sud peut faire part de ses expériences.
South Africa is working with the President and his team on national reconciliation. We have been working with the President for a while to just explain to the Malagasy side, it's a Malagasy process. You must drive the process, but we can explain what our experiences are in South Africa, what we did during our transformation and transition, and maybe there are some lessons to be learned, for the Malagasy side, although the political circumstances are quite different.
Selon ses dires, il entretient de bonnes relations avec Hery Rajaonarimampianina, Mark Ravalmanan et Andradzuil, qu'il a d'ailleurs rencontré la semaine dernière. Il a également rencontré Didier Ratsirak et Zafielbert.
I have excellent relations with President Hery. I have excellent relations with President Ravalmanan, and I have very good relationship with Rajoelina. I saw him last week. So I talk to everyone, and to everyone I'm giving the same message. In the interest of the 22 million people of this country, they need to come together, they need to have a dialogue, they need to have reconciliation in the greater good and the interest of the 22 million people. I saw Ratsirak last week, I saw Zaf, the same message.
Il a insisté sur le fait que pour l'intérêt des 22 millions de Malgaches, ces différents protagonistes doivent dialoguer et se réconcilier. Pour une stabilité à Madagascar, une coopération entre les différentes parties prenantes est requise.